Welcome to All About Mechanical Engineering. In today's video, we will learn how to restrict an Excel cell to accept only an alphanumeric value of specified characters. Here, I'll show you how to restrict a cell to accept only a valid PAN. So here we have a list of clients and we have to input the PAN numbers in front of them. In case of any wrong input, there should be a message alert given stating the PAN is invalid. In order to restrict these cells, first let us understand the formula behind it. So here, let us write the formula is equal to, and this operator is used to ensure that every logical condition given inside is satisfied. The first logical condition is len. This is the number of characters which you have to accept in the cell. Here the text, that is the cell number, it is C4. So I'm writing C4 here. And the character length you have to specify 10, comma. Second logical condition, I'm using exact here to ensure the PAN should be in capitals only. So text 1, that is we are talking about the cell number C4, comma, it should be upper. The C4 should be upper. Then the next logic is error. So in the PAN, the first 5 characters are alphabets. So you have to use the formula left in text C4, that is cell number C4. You have to take 5 characters as alphabets. Is equal to true is going to ensure it, comma. Then after first 5 alphabets, you have is number, value. You have to use the formula mid here. So in cell number C4, starting from character 6 to next 4 characters should be number is equal to true is going to ensure it, comma. Then again is error for the last character, value. You have to use the formula right here. So in cell number C4, the last character, that is from right, one character should be alphabet is equal to true is going to ensure it. Enter. It is stating false because the cell is empty. Now if I try to input 5 alphabets in capital, next 4 numbers, again last capital alphabet, it states true. That means the formula is correct. Now you have to copy the formula from here, Control C. Then you have to select this cell, go to data, data validation here, click on data validation, change this any value to custom, and in this formula, paste this formula. In case of any wrong input, there should be a error message displayed. So go to error alert, input the title. Here I'm writing invalid input. Here the message should be please enter a valid PAN in capitals. You can give example if you want. And you have to click OK. Now if I try to write anything which is not a valid PAN, this is the pop-up you get. On retrying, if I correct it, it accepts. Now extending this validation for the complete range, you have to select the complete range here. Go to data validation. There will be a message saying selection contains some cells without data validation settings. Do you want to extend data validation to these cells? Click yes and click OK. So for the complete range, you have applied the validation. If I try to write anything random, it gives you the error. Now you can delete this and you have successfully restricted this range to accept only an alphanumeric value of 10 characters. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.